I was sent this product at no cost for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box and check it out. So once you open the box, you're going to find this nice little bag here that had the knife in it, and it has this little specification card that goes over what the knife is, its specifications, and care and maintenance. And this is a pretty nice little bag. And then here's the knife. It looks like a lot of quality time went into putting this together. This is not your just cheaper type of pocket knife. This is real wood here, banded on really well. Definitely would call this a quality knife. It's got a nice large blade on it. That is really cool. Really like the blade on this knife. This is your push with your thumb type of locking mechanism. So this you pull, of course, to open, but then it locks right here and you use your thumb to push it to the side to close it. It's got a really nice hinge on it. I really like the clip also. You can tell it's integrated into the knife really well, and it's very sturdy. Again, this is how I wear my pocket knives, so this to me is very important that it has a clip. It opens really well with the tabs. Just feels really good in the hand. This is very nice. You can definitely tell this is quality, that engineering and time went into making this knife. It's very clean. So I'm already pretty impressed with the knife just from the looks, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this as my daily carry, and let's see how well it performs. All right, so I've carried this knife around for a couple days, and I gotta say, it's a really nice knife. I think one of the main things that I'm gonna do with this is keep this in my truck, and I'm gonna use this as my hunting knife. So when I take an animal, I usually skin it and quarter it up, and this would make a great hunting knife. But there's other things I've done with it already. Cuts through irrigation line with no problem at all. Nice clean cut. And a thing that I did recently was cut up some marshmallow sticks out of some old oak wood that we have laying around, so the kids could roast marshmallows when we had our fire. And this knife cuts through old hard oak that has been sitting and dry, no problem. I really like this knife a lot, and I don't want to do a lot of miscellaneous things with it that will actually tear it up. So I'm going to keep this nice and clean. It's still very sharp, and this is going to be riding around with me in my truck all the time. The wood grain and everything, I mean, it's just a beautiful knife. So definitely plan on keeping this one around for a long time. I think you'll be very happy with this knife. It did everything I wanted out of it, and it did it really well. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.